Look how beautiful this shrub is. These colors are fantastic. And we are almost to the end of November here in Morrill County, Ohio. And we are just so impressed with this native bush honeysuckle. Yes, they exist. It's remarkable. This is Diervilla lonicera. Most of the non-native bush honeysuckles, all of us are working to not let take over everywhere, are lonicera with different species. They're all in Caprifoliaceae. And there are native loniceras as well, like Lonicera sempervirens. So you gotta pay attention. They don't look alike once you get to know them, but they are opposite leaves. And this one is not as common in our area, and even on the range maps in some of the books I've checked, it's not super common. But I wonder if it ever was. I mean, it might have been. From what I've read, the deer love to munch it. And once a lot of these surveys started happening, the deer were in abundance. So I don't know. I can't say anything. But I do know that this can survive deep shade, part shade, dry soils, including the dry soils of the forest. And it's very exciting. It is, as I kind of indicated there, love to be eaten by deer. So you got to put it somewhere where maybe you can monitor it. This is a young one, and they were really suppressed by a lot of plants. So Steve started freeing it up, and I showed you that in some other videos. But you can see they're going to spread by these runners, which is thrilling. If you put it in the right spot, runners are your best friend. And so I just wanted to highlight this beautiful shrub right in here. I know it's looking a little thin because it is dropping the leaves for winter. But highlight this for you to consider. It doesn't get real tall. Ours is a couple feet tall, and the color is phenomenal. The flowers are way cool. We had hummingbirds on them, and now this are the seed capsules. Whether there's any seeds in them, I don't know. When I squished them, it seemed like they were just kind of dust. But we've had an interesting weather year here. I don't really know when there's not interesting weather years. I read these old accounts and everyone's like, this is the craziest weather year. And then maybe it just keeps getting crazier. I mean, that's for sure. So Diervilla lonicera, if you're one of the lucky people that has this growing in your area, and you are also working on the non-native bush honeysuckle, make sure you're protecting this one. And definitely think about planting this around your house. It's just gorgeous.